What's going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, we're out in the garage today messing with the Fairmont. Me and the wife had some things to do yesterday, so I wasn't able to work on it. We had to clean the gutters out and pick up leaves and all that good stuff. You know, I didn't even get a chance to go over to the yard. Today, we had to go and do the shopping and everything for the Thanksgiving dinner that's coming up this week. So anyhow, I got out here today for a little bit and been working on the Fairmont. I was hoping to put some paint on it this week, but it ain't gonna happen. But next weekend I got free, baby. So we're gonna get some paint on this Fairmont. Primed up and painted. Yes, we are. So let's turn around here and see what I've been doing today so we can try to get this stuff straightened out, make it nice and pretty so that primer lays so nice. Alrighty, so, you know, I took some more paint off the shock tower over there, or the strut tower, whatever you want to call it. All serves the same purpose. So anyhow, I took and finished taking more paint off of that. Got that pretty much down to bare metal. So we're working on that still. This above right here, I'm paying a little bit more attention to, because when you open the hood, this is gonna be like the first thing you see, you know what I mean? So this is gonna be nice. I got all this pretty much smooth. There's still some spots that I gotta take care of here and get that, and then so smooth that so we can feather that around there and we can get all that primed up there and make it look good. So I am working from here to here. Today I'm done. I got some other things we got to do. Me and the wife's got to go take off and go do some more shopping. And I just wanted to bring you in here for a minute or so and show you that Mr. Mach 1 is making some progress. And yeah, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get some primer and some paint on this next week, because I have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off. So I got 5 days. I got to do a little bit of union business on Wednesday. Once I get that done, I'm coming out here in the garage and we're going to start working on it. Thursday's Thanksgiving, so family will be over and stuff, so we won't be able to do it then. So I will bring back more content on the Fairmont this weekend. Shoot, man, I might even set up out here and just do a live and work on it while I'm talking to you guys or whatnot. We'll see what happens there. Of course, I can't run no power tools or nothing while you got you on live, because you wouldn't be able to hear anything that I had to say. So we'll be doing a lot of hand sanding, like getting some of these spots right here and that out and getting it cleaned up. But we do got it cleaned up a lot better than what it was, you know. So like I said, we're going to make this thing streamline like a butterfly. Yeah, baby. So let me turn you back around. Give you a small update what's going on in Mr. Mach 1's garage with the Fairmont. Yeah, you got to see this. Let me turn this around right quick. I've had this thing out and playing with it. Oh yeah, what a mess. And I'm telling you, that thing, man, it is so much fun. So I'm going to have to get another battery, because the battery just don't last long enough for that much fun. You know what I mean? So I've been running this thing ragged, buddy. I've run it hard. So let me turn you back around here. So anyhow, we are got a lot of work to do out here in the garage. The Fairmont, I got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off. I am going to, I got about a half a day Wednesday. I got to do some union business. So we'll get that taken care of. And then we'll come out to the garage and we'll start playing with, finish cleaning up the firewall and this and that, and getting the inner fenders and stuff cleaned up so we can get this thing primed and painted. Yeah, my plan was to try to get that thing primed, but I come out here and started looking at it and I'm thinking to myself, man, that's just gonna look ugly once I put some primer on it. So let me clean it up better and get it right, you know, because I only want to do this one time, just like underneath. And I still got some patchwork to do up there, but we're gonna get that. You know what I mean? Hey, nobody's perfect, right? So, you know, we miss here, miss there, but we can fix that. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them I said you're awesome. You guys have a great rest of your day. And hey, thanks for watching, man. Like and subscribe. And if you don't like and subscribe, then hey, come back and see me again.